This is 15. This is 15. This is 15. And this is 15. Okay? This is about the perimeter. 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 gives 60. Okay. So, the greatest area, my learners, is what? Is 15 multiplied by 15. Okay, 15 multiplied by 15 gives 225. What is the unit, my learners? Is meters squared. This is the area or degree test. Area is 15 meter by 15 meter square. Gives what? Gives 225. Or also, student may create rectangles by increasing one side by 1 unit, decreasing one side by what? By 1. Okay? For example, you can make this is 16. Okay? And this is 14. Okay? So, the perimeter 16 plus 16 is, this is 60, is 32. Plus 14 plus 14 is 28. So this one will give us 60 as a perimeter. Okay, the area is 16 multiplied by 14, or you can make 17 multiplied by 13, or 18 multiplied by 2. Okay, this is depends on, let's say, the shape that you created. Okay, then here we have an activity. I want every one of you try to focus on this activity and try to figure out the answers. Okay, the answers weren't very difficult, but you should use your minds. Okay, I will read. Tommy has 8 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter rectangle. He increases the length and width by 1. Okay. The first one, the width was 8, the length was 8. The length was 8, and the width was 2. Then he increased the length and the width by 1, means 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. Now we'll try to find the area, my learners. What is the area? Don't forget. The area equal length multiplied by width. Please don't forget. Okay? So, I will just write area is what? Length multiplied by width means 8. Area equal 8 multiplied by 2. Give us what? Give 16. Okay. The unit is centimeter. Is centimeter. Okay? If it is meter, write meter. If the unit wasn't written, so write a unit. For example, this one equal, for example, this is 2 multiplied by 3 gives 6 units squared. Okay, if the unit wasn't given. Okay, and the area of the second one is 9 multiplied by 3. Why 9 only? Because I increased the width and the length by 1. Okay, so it will be 27. The unit here we call centimeter square. Centimeter square. This is 27. 27. Okay. He repeats with a 4 centimeter by 6 centimeter rectangles. This is the length is 4. Length is 4. The width, length. Okay, I will just write here. Length is 14. The width is 6, for example. Okay? So, the area is what? For the first one is 14 multiplied by 6. Okay. 10 multiplied by 6, my loves, is 6. 4 by 6, 24. 60 plus 24 is 84. What is the unit? The unit is the same, is centimeter squared. Be careful while checking this one. We told 14 multiplied by 6. 6 by 4, 24. 6 by 1 is 6 plus 2 is 8. So 84. Then I will increase this by 1. 14 plus 1, my loves, is 15. 6 by 1 is 7. So the area of the second rectangle is 15 multiplied by 7. Very good. So 15 multiplied by 7. Okay. Look, 15 multiplied by 7. 7 by 5. 7 center is what? Is 35. Good boy. 7 by 1 is 1 plus 3 is 10. So 105. The answer is 105 centimeters squared. Okay. What do you notice happens to the area? Look here. The first one is 16, then it will be what? It will be 27. You see that the area of the first rectangle is 16. The second one is increased to what? To 27. Why? Because I increased the length and I increased the width. Okay, can you find any other examples that follow this pattern? Are there any examples that don't follow the patterns? Okay? So in general, my learners, if you have a length, a width, for example, is A, and the length is B, so the area is what? Is A times B, means length multiplied by B. If, for example, you increase the length by the same amount, for example, increasing the length by 2 and the width by 2, let's say the area will be increased. But if, for example, you increase the length by 2 and, for example, decrease the width by a number that is more than 2, or okay, so the area will change. Okay, let's do an example. Okay, for example, the first one, my learners, is what? This is width. Okay, and this one, length. This one is what? Is the area. Area, we told that length multiplied by width. Okay? Okay. For example, I will take here 8. Then this is, for example, 10. And now I will add the length, add 2 to the length, and subtract 6 from the width. Okay? Means what, my learners? Means that I will subtract 6 from the width. It will be 2. 8 minus 6, 2. Then I will add, my learners. 10 plus 2 is 12. The area of this 8 will be 18. Okay? A unit square. And this one, okay, 2 multiplied by 12 is 24 units square. You can see that the area of the second shape is decreasing, and the one is 80 units square. Okay? The next, my learners. Okay, how many rectangles can you draw with an area of? How many rectangles can you draw with an area of 12 centimeters squared? How many rectangles can you draw? Can you count the rectangles that you will use that have the same area of 12? Okay, I will give you 3 seconds. You can stop the video. 3 seconds. Okay. To do this question. Okay? I will give 3 seconds. Then I will do this one. Okay. Means what? How many rectangles? How many rectangles can you draw? Can you draw with an area of what? of 12 minus centimeters squared. Okay, look, I will draw my table. This is number 1, this is shape 2, this is shape 3 that will have a length and width. Okay, okay, and so on. So this is my length, this is width. This is area modulus, is what is length multiplied by width. Okay? Here, in this question, we told that rectangles. Okay, so we ignore a square. So a square does not include it. Okay, because he wants rectangles. How many rectangles? Okay, but at the end I will draw a square. Okay, which is a particular case. Okay. Look, the length, for example, we told the area is 12 centimeters squared. Always 12 centimeters squared. 12 centimeters squared. Okay? 12 centimeters squared. Okay. So, the first one, 1 centimeter multiplied by 12 gives 12. Then 2 multiplied by 6. Then 3 multiplied by 4. Then only this. Okay? Then half, for example, half 0.5 and what? And 24. And there are so many. Okay? These are 4 rectangles that have the same area. Means what? 1, 12. This is 1, my learners, and this is 12. Then the second one, 2, 6, means this is 2, this is 6. Okay? The second one, 3, 4, means this is 3, and this one is 4. And this is not included, this is 3, and this is 4. Okay, and 0.5, 24, this is 24, and this is 0.5. Okay? So, half 24 is 12 area equal 24 multiplied by 0.5 gives 12 centimeter or unit squared. Okay. The next one, learners. So, what is the area of the shape if each square is 2 centimeter? This one is 2 centimeter, my learners. This is also 2 centimeter square, 2 centimeter square, 2 centimeter square, 2 centimeter square. Okay? All of these small squares have an area of 2 centimeters square. The question is that, my learners, is try to count these squares to find the area. Okay? What is the area of this shape if each square is 2 centimeters in length? Okay? So, if this one 2 centimeters, this one also 2 centimeters, this is also 2 centimeters, this is also 2 centimeters, means from this to this 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters. And this, how many squares in fact? 1, 2, 3, 4, or just a moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one it will be 10. Okay, this one it will be 10, what? 10 centimeters. 10. And this one, my learners, is, this is 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. Okay, at least we work at the value of the width and we work at the value of the length. Okay? If the question is about the area, just multiply. If it's about the perimeter, just make the total of all the distances around the following shape. Each square is 2 centimeters. What is the area? Area is what, my learners? Is 6 multiplied by 10 gives us 60. Okay? What is the unit? Centimeters square. This is for the first question. This one. I will label as small a for them. And this one small b. Each square 3.5 centimeters in length. Means that this is 3 centimeters. Okay? Okay, this is, it will be 10.5. This one could be changed, of course. Why? Because we move to this one, 3.5. So this, the length is 3.5 means each side is 3.5. 3.5 plus 3.5 is 7, plus 3.5 is 10.5. This one learns from that to that is 10.5. And this, from this to this, 3.5 plus 3.5, 7 plus 3.5 is 10.5, plus 3.5 is 1.4 is 14, plus 3.5 is 17.5. Look, 3.5 multiplied by 5. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 by 5 is 25. Just write 2. Okay? And right here 5. 5 by 3, 15 plus 2 is 17. It will be 17.5. Okay? I will just write here 17.5. So now my learners is what? To find the area, just multiply the width by the length. Okay? So the area is what? Is 17.5 multiplied by 10.5. Okay. Look here. I will write this as what? As 175 divided by 10 multiplied by 105 divided by 10. So it will be given. Okay, all divided by 100. I will now calculate it. 175 by 105. 175 by